Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I hope you can hear me. Oh, this is the pair of glasses. Yesterday, I did loser unboxing, and this is the white one. I didn't show it. So silly. And I always have some earrings that cost nothing. I homemade and it's just in my little pocket, so I wear it. So good to see you. And this makes me feel so very happy. Okay, it's so comfortable to wear these glasses. The clarity of seeing things is just so good. So here I am in the library, and I feel a little bit hungry. I need to get some energy boosting up. So I have my yogurt with blackberry jam today. I just made some blackberry lemon curd, and it is so good. So this is the cleaning the pot. And all I want to say is that I feel so good, so happy. And life is coming to its routine. Life is coming to its ordinary and routine formality. So I come to library, spend my time, wasting some time. It's better than wasting in front of a inside home, right? And just makes me feel good. And this is a kind of tiny library, children's section and the adult section is in one big room, and but usually not so many people, so it's relatively quiet. It's 5-10 minutes drive from my home. I feel it's like my reading room inside for myself, and having something like that makes me feel so grounding. I prepare my class, and I have my yogurt. Yeah, that's it. I just want to share with you the joy of it. So I just want to share with you this routine, everyday life. And I feel it is very, very grounding, very, very good. I am so happy. I have a meaning of my life. That is to be a teacher, to go to work, and I have my life that I do not work full time. I have my own time to come to library, to go to shop, to go for a walk, or glandouille, doing nothing. I have my freedom of doing something, and I have my routine life. This is more than I can ask for. And I have my earrings. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.